Hello student, in previous chapter we discussed about function in Excel. In today's session we will study about chapter 3 more in Excel. MS Excel provides many features when we create a worksheet. We can sort the data, filter data and create chart in Excel. The first topic is sorting data. Sorting data means कि sort the data in ascending or descending order. In ascending order, we can sort the data in alphabetically like A to Z and descending order Z to A. First, when we sort the data, first create a worksheet like this where the data is filled and select the data which one you have to sort. अगर हमने अल्फाबेट्स को sort out करना है then select the column A, then go for the data tab, go for sort and filter feature and the option is here कि sorting by A to Z और Z to A. जिस ऑप्शन को हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली जो हमारे ये अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं जो नेम दिए हुए हैं हमारे पास वो सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगे. लाइकवाइज अगर कि हम इनको A to Z सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे तो अल्फ़ाबेट के अकॉर्डिंगली जैसे सी नेम वाला जो नेम है वो सबसे पहले आ जाएगा एंड लास्ट में वाई युवराज सिंह आ जाएगा. अगर हम इसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं तो इट मीन्स कि जो युवराज सिंह है वो सबसे ऊपर चला जाएगा और चितेश्वर सबसे नीचे आ जाएगा. दैट वे वी कैन सॉर्ट द डाटा इन अल्फाबेटिकली ascending or descending order. In numbers, when we have to sort the data, then you have to sort the data according to largest to high or smallest to largest. You have to select column B, then go for the data tab, then choose the option if you want to select the data in ascending order means A to Z. You have to select the option largest to smallest. Then you can see the number is which one is highest means 219. You can see here above the top head. Likewise, you have to see the here 219, 200, 183, 183. That way you have to sort the data. If you found the same numbers of two students, the two players, then you have to use the advanced sorting feature, because the advanced sorting feature used when there are two players whose highest score is 183. To sort such type of data, you need add more field for sorting. Sort by highest score in the largest to smallest order is given by 3.2 कि how to sort the data largest to smallest. And advanced sorting feature means कि you have to click on the add level button in the sort dialog box for sorting. That means you can add one level कि अगर आपने हाईएस्ट स्कोर ले लिया है बट उसमें टू प्लेयर्स के सेम नंबर्स हैं, देन वी गो फॉर द एवरेज, द नेक्स्ट order. Because Excel does not sort the data in the other field if it is not told to do so. जब तक हम उसे बताएंगे नहीं तो वो हमारा डाटा वो नेक्स्ट कॉलम को सॉर्ट आउट नहीं करेगा. The next, here is then by option used. Select here average. You have to see the drop down arrow. Click on that arrow and choose which column you have to select it for then by sorting. Then go for the smallest to largest order. You can see here कि the student Virat Kohli and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, those who are getting the same highest score, the average between Virat Kohli is lesser than Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So that's why he is up Mahendra Singh Dhoni.